Welcome friends, today we will be studying about forms of energy. So what are the different forms of energy? These are mechanical energy, heat energy, chemical energy, sound energy and light energy. So today we will be studying about mechanical energy only. Now what are the types of mechanical energy? First is potential energy and second is kinetic energy. So here example of a catapult and a rubber band is given. In case of a rubber band, when you stretch a rubber band and release it, it will fly to a certain distance. Similarly, in case of a catapult, when a stone is held in the rubber of a catapult, the rubber is stretched and released. When the rubber is released, it will come to its original position, and at the same time the stone will fly to a certain distance, right? Now next example is of a spring toy. When the spring of a toy is wound and then released, the toy starts playing. When the water stored at a height is made to fall on a wheel, the wheel starts rotating. Now in each of these examples you can see there is certain displacement of objects. That is to say, we can say that there is work done, which means that work is done. Now from where is the energy obtained to do this work? So the energy which is stored in an object due to a specific state or position of that object is called potential energy. Now here we have seen the example of water stored at a height. When it falls on a wheel, the wheel starts rotating. So we can say that because of the position of that water stored at certain height, there will be a potential energy stored in that water. Okay, so that will be the example of potential energy. The energy which is stored in an object due to a specific state or position of that object is called potential energy. Now here few more examples are given to understand the concept of kinetic energy. Take two balls, let one of them stand stable on the center of the table. Place the second ball on the table and push it so that it hits the first ball. What happens when the second ball hits the first one? The first one will start rolling in certain direction. Now from where did the second ball get the energy to set the first ball in motion? So here examples of marbles is also given. In the game of marbles, from where does one marble get energy to set another marble in motion? While playing carom board also, from where does the striker get the energy to make the piece move? We give energy to the marble or striker and set them in motion. We apply our muscular force and we give them energy to set them in motion. Now the energy obtained from motion is called kinetic energy, right? So what is the definition of kinetic energy? The energy obtained from motion is called kinetic energy. Now when you hit a carom piece with another one, so there will be a kinetic energy. So the energy obtained from motion is called kinetic energy. Now the energy used for doing mechanical work is called mechanical energy, and there are two types of mechanical energy, namely potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is obtained due to position and kinetic energy by motion. So this is the conclusion you can say obtained from all of these examples. The potential energy is obtained due to the position and kinetic energy by motion. So this is the conclusion. Potential energy is obtained due to position and kinetic energy by motion. So this will be all about mechanical energy. Thank you for watching.